So glad this is here. I've been waiting on this to get here. My order from Amazon. I forgot I ordered these goji berries with it. That's for my smoothie. We're gonna put those to the side. But I was waiting on this. It's one of those ice facial massage rollers. I have been seeing them all over TikTok, but the one I had seen on TikTok was like 15 bucks. And I had that one in my cart, but when I scrolled down under that one, I seen cheaper ones. So I went for the cheaper one. This one was 5 bucks, and I'm hoping it works just as good as the $15 one. So this is the little funnel that you use. You pull that little lid off right there in the middle, and that's how you fill it up. You can also use it that way when the ice is hardened. You could take off the 2 bottom parts and hold it by just this middle part here. I really like the idea that you can infuse the water with different fruits and vegetables and things that will help with different problem areas on your skin. So I'm gonna go ahead, fill it up, let it freeze, and I will be back with an update. So please be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.